Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So Pat Mcgrath has launched a brand new collection and it's honestly the prettiest thing and it's like a Valentine's Day themed, and I asked you guys over on my Instagram stories whether or not you wanted to see a review on the collection. And pretty much everybody did. There was so many, like thousands and thousands of requests to do this review. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So the new collection is called the Divine Rose 2 collection. And just everything from all of the products to the packaging, just everything looks absolutely beautiful. We've got an eyeshadow palette. We have some longwear liquid lipsticks. We've got a cream bullet lipstick. And we have some lip pencils and a highlighter. Like, it all looks amazing. So what we're going to be doing in today's video is playing with the new collection, testing the products, having a look at them, and then I'm going to create a look using them all and hopefully we love. So if you are interested in seeing a full demo and review of the brand new Pat Mcgrath Divine Rose 2 collection, then please stick around. Okay, first up, this packaging, you guys. It is so beautiful. All of the packaging is covered in these beautiful pink roses with like these little gemstones. It's actually like, I am low-key dying. It's one of the lipsticks. So this print is all over all of the packaging. It's absolutely amazing. So first up, I feel like everybody wants to see the eyeshadow quad. There was a much larger eyeshadow palette that did come out. I'm not sure if it's part of this collection because it's only a limited edition palette, but she did come out with a bigger one as well. But this is the Divine Rose Luxe Quad Eternal Eden. Stunning. So this one just comes in her standard packaging. It's very pretty packaging. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So it's a really romantic, honestly, this is a Valentine's Day palette as far as I'm concerned. It's so pretty. So we've got like a peachy kind of a color with a gold reflect through it, a matte medium pink, this gorgeous shimmery mauve color, and then like a taupey lavender matte brown kind of a color. So nice. So here are the shades close up. How honestly stunning. And the packaging's just beautiful as well. Yeah, really excited to get into this. Next up, we've got the highlighter. So this is the Skin Fetish Ultra Glow Highlighter and the shade is Divine Rose. Ooh, it comes in like pink metallic packaging. That's pretty cool. What does the actual highlighter look like? Ooh, looks like it's a baked formula. That looks so pretty. I can't stop myself. I have to touch it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful and smooth too. Oh, okay, that is a really pretty. Love that. And we got the 2 lip pencils, and these also come with a sharpener, which is great. So that there is what the little sharpener looks like. I think it's great that they come with a little sharpener because a lot of the time you buy a lip pencil and you may not even have a sharpener, so it's good that they include it. And then these are the 2 lip liner shades. So we have Suburbia, and then this one is Buff. They're really pretty pinky nude kind of colors. Definitely very much Nikkia colors. And we've got 2 liquid lips in this collection as well. Divine Nude and Divine Rose. I've actually never tried a Pat Mcgrath liquid lipstick before, but the packaging on it, so like look how pretty the packaging is. It's amazing. And then last but not least, we have the lipstick. So this is the Matte Trance lipstick in the shade Divine Rose as well. Now this one comes in her original black and gold packaging with the lips on the front. Really pretty. And it's just the most magical color ever. Look at that. Stunning. Okay, so that's a bit of an overview of all of the products that are included in this collection. Basically, I'm really excited. Let's jump into actually creating a look with these. Now, my eyes are already primed and powdered, so we're good to go straight in with this palette. I'm going to start out with the matte pink shade. And it is called Pink Mystique, and I'm going to work that one through the crease, and then I'm going to build up a little bit of depth with the darker purple sort of taupe color. So picking this one up on our diffused blend brush, I'm going to blend that one all the way through the crease. So I'm curious, guys, what are you doing for Valentine's Day this year? What are your plans? What's happening? I want to know. Obviously, Valentine's Day is going to look very different this year to what it has perhaps looked like other years. So I'm curious to know what you are all doing. Blending this one all the way through the socket. It's a really nice sort of soft, dusty kind of a pink color. It's really pretty. So I've got that color blended all over the lid. It looks absolutely glorious. I love pink eyeshadow. You guys know this. Going into this taupey, smoky kind of colour now. I'm going to pack this one onto the outer corners of my lids. I'm just using our flat shader brush to do this. Just feel like this is going to turn into like the prettiest, like, I've got the romance in me today. I really do. Packing that on this side as well. And then we'll go back in and we will blend. So taking a tiny little bit of that same shadow on our smaller diffused crease brush. Just going to gently buff the edges of that. The matte seem to be blending out really well. You guys know that I have had some difficulties in the past with Pat McGrath products. The first time I ever tried their products here on my channel, I had so many things go wrong. It was bad. This experience so far has been much more enjoyable. I feel like all the shades in this palette are really easy to pair together. Like really, really good if you are a beginner and you sort of, you know, you struggle kind of pairing matching shades in together. That's why I love smaller palettes and quads and things like that. They're just so much easier to figure out a complete look with. They're awesome. Then running that same color through the lower lash line and just sort of softly smoking that out. All right, next up I'm going to take the beautiful shimmery purple shade. What is this one called? Earthly Delight. It's a shimmery purple, but then it's got these amazing reflex through it that are actually really sort of hard to catch on camera, I feel. Like I can see pink, I can see orange, I can see little bits of silver. So, so pretty. I'm going to pack that right on the center of my lids. Oh my gosh, that's amazing, that color. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is going to be such a soft, pretty makeup look. Oh, love. I feel like this is exactly the way that the palette was intended to be used. Like, we've got an obvious crease shade, an obvious outer corner shade. We've got a shade for the lid and then a shade for the inner corner and the brow bone. It's just made to be easy, honestly. So the formula of this shimmer is really, really nice as well. It's really quite soft. It's not chunky at all. Definitely hasn't added any texture to my lids. It's honestly so pretty and very minimal fallout actually. And then last but not least, this beautiful shade here, Temptation. It's the peachy pink and it's got this amazing gold kind of reflect. It's so stunning. It's actually quite a similar shade to the highlighter, or at least it looks like it. I'm going to take it on our little precision shader brush, pick it up and pack it right on the inner corner of my eyes. The other thing with these shades in this palette too is you could definitely just pick one, smudge it all across the lid and pop some mascara on and you'd be good to go because they are very flattering colours and very easy to work with. All right, so packing that on there and I'm just dragging it across the lower lash line just a little, connecting it to that matte colour that we've smudged down under there. And going over to the other side. It's a really, really pretty colour. I do like it. Yeah, definitely as far as application, formula, colour selection, that palette, I approve. It's just beautiful. So easy to create a really easy blended beautiful look. Such flattering gorgeous shades. I really, really like. So I'm just going to chuck on some mascara and some lashes off camera. Then we're going to play with the highlighter and the lip products. All right, so eyes are all done. We're going to move on to the highlighter now. Pretty pink packaging like I showed you guys before. So it is the Skin Fetish Ultra Glow Highlighter. The shade is Divine Rose. And as you saw earlier and as you saw from the swatch, it's like this really pretty peachy pink kind of a color with this gorgeous gold shift. I'm very excited to see what it looks like on my skin. I am hoping that it does not emphasize my texture. It's definitely like a baked formula, very smooth to the touch. Like it feels really, really silky. Let's see how this goes. Oh. Yep. It's stunning. I kind of knew that it would be. Like, you know when you just, like, you can tell you're going to love something? This is absolutely beautiful. So it's very, very fine on the skin. And as you move, like, it definitely has, like, this subtle sort of color shift to it. It shows through a lot of gold on the skin as well. Oh, it's just beautiful. It makes my skin look like actually wet. Oh my God, I actually haven't tried any of the Pat McGrath highlighters that are in this sort of format. The other ones that I've tried have been really pretty as well, but I feel like this one's definitely my favorite. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm going to have to go somewhere. I'm going to have to go out to the mailbox and get the mail. Like, this makeup's too pretty not to. And what I might do as well is actually put a little of this on my brow bone. I forgot to highlight my brow bone earlier, and I might use it to highlight my inner corners as well. Oh, it just looks so amazing. All right, just picking it up on our large shader. Put the tiniest little bit. Oh, so pretty. Just, it's so super smooth. Like, it's not emphasizing texture at all. It's not making my skin look like lumpy or anything. Gorgeous. This might be my favorite Pat McGrath collection yet, which isn't surprising. Like, rosy pinky nude lips and pinky kind of eyeshadows. I feel like she made it for me. And then lastly to finish, let's test out some of these lip products. Perhaps I will show you all three combos so that you get a bit of an idea, you know, of what they look like actually applied to the lips. Now, I'm pretty sure that the Divine Rose liquid lipstick goes with the Suburbia lip pencil. They look pretty much the same color. And then the Divine Nude liquid lipstick goes with the Buff pencil. I mean, you can mix and match, but they're definitely like matching lip kit kind of things. So I'm going to go in first with the Buff pencil. And I'm going to line all around my lips. It's a really, really smooth and creamy feeling pencil. It actually reminds me very, very much of the Gerard Cosmetics ones. Oops, I may have accidentally overdrawn my lips a little bit too much there. All right, so that's a really pretty soft pinky kind of a nude color there. Go in with the liquid lipstick now. Love the packaging of these. It's honestly so nice. The applicator one has this really cool little triangular shape, which should make it very, very easy to apply. And it doesn't really have a scent. Oh my God. Color from heaven. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, the formula feels really lightweight. It's got a matte finish. Wow, that is such a beautiful lightweight liquid lipstick. Like, you can hardly feel it on the lips, to be honest. That feels amazing. It kind of feels very similar to the NARS liquid lipsticks that I love. Gosh, I've forgotten the name of them for the life of me. What are they called? It's like matte ink or something. They're amazing. Definitely perfectly matches the eyeshadow look. So let's wipe this one off quickly and try the next one. Okay, going in with Suburbia now, which is definitely more of like a rich rose kind of color. That is a beautiful color. Same really rich, creamy texture as the first one. And then the matching liquid lip. Oh my gosh. These colors are amazing. That is literally stunning. How beautiful. And that there is what the second liquid lipstick looks like. It's honestly, I love it. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite, the first nude one or the rose one. Honestly, as far as the texture goes, like, it's got a very, very matte finish and it looks like it should be uncomfortable and kind of chalky feeling on the lips. It's so lightweight, like you can hardly feel that you are even wearing a liquid lipstick. It's amazing. I love this formula. It's not completely transfer proof, but that's okay because it's just so comfortable. Ooh, really, really nice. Okay, last but not least, let's try the bullet lipstick. So the shade of this one is Divine Rose as well, although it's definitely not the same color as the Divine Rose in the liquid. Looks slightly lighter and maybe a little bit more of a warm tone. I love her matte lipsticks. They're beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I nearly kind of feel like this one might be in between the two liquid lips. Like, it's a more of like a true pinky nude. And that there is what that last lipstick looks like. This one's definitely my favorite. This is my absolute favorite color out of all of them. And you could very, very easily pair any of these lip pencils with this lipstick as well. You're going to get a really beautiful result no matter what. So this is the finished look here, guys. I've honestly had a really, really nice time playing with all of these products. I've got nothing negative to say. The eyeshadow formulas were all stunning, very, very easy to blend, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Like, I feel like I could stare at this all day. It's just so, so pretty and so easy to create a look. And like I said, you could definitely take any one of these 4 shades, smudge it all over the lid, add some mascara, and that's all that you would need to do. Like, they're beautiful. Really nice mixture of textures. They look amazing on the eyes. I've really, really enjoyed this. And obviously the packaging, to die. Absolutely love the highlighter formula as well. It looks amazing on the skin. No texture, doesn't emphasize my enlarged pores or anything, and it's just the prettiest color. Like, a lot of the time, usually these like duochrome-ish, like two-toned kind of highlighters, like, They can look a little bit like festival makeup nearly on the skin, but this one's actually still really soft and pretty and gentle. I really, really like it. And I honestly think all of the lip products are amazing as well. The lip pencil's super creamy, really buttery to apply, lots of pigmentation, you know, just really easy to work with. Liquid lipsticks are probably one of the lightest weight liquid lip formulas I've ever tried in my life. I'm going to be wearing makeup all day tomorrow again, so I will wear one of these shades all day tomorrow. I'll eat with it, I'll drink with it, we'll see how long it lasts, we'll see if it flakes off or goes funny or anything, but certainly as a first impression, love these and the colors are beautiful. And this lipstick may very well be one of my new favorites. It's just the prettiest color ever. The formula feels really nice, even though it's like a matte finish. It's like a soft matte, so it's very comfortable on the lips. I love, love, love this collection. Probably safe to say it's one of my favorite collections that Pat McGrath has done to this date. I just think it's all amazing. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed seeing me play with these products today. Let me know if this romantic Valentine's Day kind of look that I came up with. Let me know, have you tried these products? Are you interested in trying them? Do you love the look of them? Do you think that they're, you know, do you not love the look of them? I want to know absolutely everything. And give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing Valentine's Day no matter whatever you are doing. I love you all heaps, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye!